Alrighty, let's get started with Module 6, Lesson 16, the problem set. In this last problem set of this module, we're going to be doing solving word problems involving money, and word problems. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so number one. Well, for all of these, we are going to be using the RDW process, which stands for read, draw, and write. And write your decimal as a decimal. So Miguel has $1, 2 dimes, and 7 pennies. That's what old Miggy's got. 1 dime. And John's got $2, 3 quarters, and 9 pennies. How much do they have in all? Okay, so we can draw a little tape diagram here. M for Miguel. And so Miguel has a dollar bill. Okay. So Miguel's got a dollar. So that's going to be $1. So let's just show that as $1. And 2 dimes. So 2. Well, let's make that 20 cents. We know that 2 dimes is 20 cents, and then 7 cents. Okay. All right, and then we have John. John has $2, twice as long. John has $2, and he's got 3 quarters, which is 75 cents. 75 cents. And 9 pennies, which is 9 cents. All right, so let's solve this. So there's a couple of different ways we can do it. We can just figure out how much money each one has and add it together, or we can just add up all the like values at once. We could look at $1 and $2. So because we want to know. This is what we want to know. How much do they have all together? Well, I'm going to do this. I'm going to add together the 1 and 2. So I know together we have $3 because I see that right here. Okay, plus I've got a 20 cents and a 75 cents, so that's plus 95 cents. Okay, and then I have 9 and 7 is 16 cents. Well, let's add these two together. Well, what do I have? If I take 5 away from the 16, that'll give me $1 here. So I get $1. Okay, and then but I've taken away. Well, first of all, let's do this right. So I'm going to break that 16 into 5 cents and 9 cents. Okay. So this 5 cents and this 95, that makes $1. And then I have this 9 cents left over. So now I have $4. This is the 3 and 1 is 4. And then I have 16 and 9, which is 25. I have 16. No, it's not 16 anymore. All I have left is 9 here. Is the 9 cents. Okay. Wait a minute. When I did the split here, I did this wrong. It's 5 and 11, not 9. So wait a minute. This is supposed to be 11 cents. Sorry about that. Because 16, we have 5 and 11 makes 16, not 9. I don't know why I was getting stuck on 9. So 11 and 5 is 16. So that's why we double check these, so that we can catch our mistakes. And 3 and 1 is 4. We have $4 and 11 cents. So there's our answer. So Miguel and John. Oops. And John. Miguel and John have $4.11. Well, in all. Well, there you go. Now, since this is a bunch of word problems, what I want you to do is I want you to try each and every one on your own, and then hit play when you think you have a solution, and then go ahead. I will walk through all of the rest of them, but I want you to see if you came up with the same answer, even if you went about it a little different way. So go ahead and pause the video before you see the solution to each and every problem. Alrighty, so go ahead and pause it and hit play when you're ready. Okay, so Vanessa has 6 dimes and 2 pennies. Okay. And Joachim has $1, 3 dimes, and 5 pennies. And Jimmy has $5 and 7 pennies. Okay. They want to put the money together to buy a game that costs $8. Well, do they have enough money for the game? So, if not, how much more they need? So we have to find out how much money they have, basically. So we have three of them that we're trying to put together to see if they have enough money. Well, Vanessa, what does Vanessa have? Vanessa has, she's got, well, let's just do this another way. Let's try to combine it quickly if we can. Vanessa has 6 dimes, that's 60 cents. So she has 62 cents. Okay. And Joachim, he's got $1. So let's just go ahead and write down how much this is. He's got $1, 3 dimes, that's 30 and 35 cents. So he's got $1.35. And Jimmy has, okay, that's Joe, so I'm going to make that J, so J-O. And then J-I has $5 and 7 pennies, so that's 0.7. Okay, they want to put together to buy a game. So what we need to do is we need to add those 3 values together. So, and we could have a tape diagram, or we could do it many different ways. Okay, so I just realized that I'm doing number 3 instead of 2, but that's okay. Let's pause the video right there, and I'll go back up and start on 2. All right, I kind of messed up, but that's okay. I'll leave what I did so far with 3. So when we're done with 2, anyway, just give it. Sualine has $7.13 to buy a book. She finds $3 bills, 4 dimes, and 14 pennies. How much more money does she need to buy the book? All right. Well, she needs $7.13. Okay, that's how much she needs to buy it. And she has found, let's see, how much has she found? Let's do a tape diagram here. She's found $3, 4 dimes, well, that's 40, and 14, that's 54 cents. So now we need to know this. We need to know how much more she needs to buy the book. So this is what we don't know. That's our question mark there. So basically now we just have to do some subtraction. And we can do this various ways. We could subtract the dollars out first, okay, but we have a little problem there, because what's going to happen here is if we take 13 cents, we can't take away the 54 cents. So we can just do this in a standard way. And again, you can do this any way you want to do it. You can do it using actual the $7.13, and we can go. But we're gonna have to change it, because there's no way we're gonna get. It's like this: $7.13 take away $3.54. This is a straight subtraction problem. All we're doing is we make sure we keep our decimal there, and in straight subtraction, we can have we have to borrow from this, so that ends up being 113 cents. Okay, but we still can't take. Now wait a minute, it's 113 cents. Because we needed to take 1 from here, so that's 0. So when we do that, we end up with $3.59. And again, you can do this in various other ways. Actually, do the subtraction, but why not just do the subtraction the straightforward way? And so we get the answer is that she needs $3.59. Okay, to buy the book. Now, that's the end of that one. Now, I started 3 for you. So go ahead and finish that one up and hit pause when you're ready to review it. Okay, so we know how much each has. Vanessa 62 cents, Joachim has $1.35, and Jimmy has $5.07. They need $8. So what we need to do is put all that amount into a tape diagram. Okay, we need to have, so this is all their money that they have. They have 62 cents, and they have $1.35. Okay, and then they have $5.07. And then we need to know if they have enough, and if they don't, how much more. So we know that they need, how much do they need? They need $8. This is what they need, $8. And we're just going to make our tape diagram look like they don't have enough. So if they do have enough, we're going to adjust that later. But this is how much they need. So this amount here, that's what we're looking for. That's what we don't know, the amount that goes there. Okay? So we need to add that up first and then see if we have enough. So we have $5.07. So we have $5.07, $1.35, and we have 62 cents, which is 0.62. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and add that all up. That's 9, 5 is 14, 6 that's 10, 1, 5, 6, 7. I have $7 and 4 cents. It's not enough. Okay, so now all I have to do is take that $8, I'm going to put 0, 0 because $8, and then I have to subtract $7.04. Well, I can't, I got to make that 10, so I got to borrow all the way from the 7. That makes that 10, 9, so that's 6, I got 96 cents. Okay, so she needs, or they need $0, 0, and this is another way of writing 96 cents to buy the game. Oops, buy the game. All right, and we could have written this also as 96 cents that way. All right, so let's continue along. And again, after each review, when you review your answer and see what you did, go ahead and pause the video and then restart. We're going to go to number 4. Alrighty, number 4. A pen costs $2.29. A calculator costs 3 times as much as a pen. How much do they cost together? Okay, so we're going to say a pen costs $2.29, and then a calculator 3 times as much. So here's a tricky way to do this. 1, 2, 3, and each one is $2.29, $2.29, and $2.29. Now the standard way to do this, because we need to know what that is all together, is to times this by 3 and then add the 2. Well, the shortcut is just to do 229 times 4. That is the shortcut way to do it. We're going to do that right here. We're going to do 229 times, don't worry about the decimal right now, 229 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. 4 times 2 is 8, and 3 is 11. 4 times 2 is 8, and 1 is 9. So 9.16. Okay, so $9.16. So we could put our decimal point back in. So that one was actually very, very easy to do that way. So, and again, you do it the other way, different way. There's many ways to do it. So, a pen and a calculator cost $9.16 together. All right, that one was fairly simple when you do it that way. All right, we have one left to do. Again, pause the video, try it on your own, and then review the answer. Keeping in mind, it doesn't have to be done exactly the way I do it. All right. Okay, Krista has $7.32. Mallory has $2.04. How much money does Krista need to give Mallory so that each of them have the same amount? Oh, they want to have the same amount. Okay, so what we need to do for this one, okay, see how much difference there is there. Okay, so, well, what you could do is figure out how much, first of all, you have to figure out, okay, so let's write this down. We've got Krista, and she's got $7. $7.32. And Mallory, she only has $2.04. So what you need to really do is, first of all, before you can do this, you have to figure out, we want to know how much so that these two end up becoming equal. Well, we have to know how much money do they have all together. So let's first add those together. So we're going to add $7 and 32 cents, and then $2.04. So that's going to be $9.36. That's how much money they have all together. And now we need to divide that by 2 because we need to find out how much each should have. Okay, so then we're going to go $9.36. Divide that by 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, bring down the 3. 6 times 2 is 12. Bring down the 6 and 8. So each would have to make them equal, each needs to have, this is an important number here now, $4.68. So now we take we take $7.52, and then from that we're going to subtract the $4. No, we're going to subtract. Let's see how we're going to do here. We're going to subtract that from 732. So 732 subtract $4.68. This is how much money that we need to, because this is how much money we need to be left with. So how much money I can give away and still have that amount. So that's 4. Okay. 6 is 12. So I have $2.64. So I need to give Mallory because if I give Mallory $2.64, she's going to have $4.68. Okay. So Mallory, it's a little confusing. This one was tough. Mallory needs $2.64 from Krista. And when we do that, they will both have the same amount. They will both have $4.68. So there you go. And hope you did well on that. And I'll catch you next time. But we're done with this module. So see you next time. Hasta la vista, baby. Psst, it's over.